Greetings. Happy Saturday. It's your girl, Dr. Helen. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm happy to be here with you. Welcome to Cozy Green Spaces. It's planting and growing season. And this is week 3 since I planted my seeds in the little mini greenhouse. And some are doing well and some are not. So I want to show you the progress. Before I show you the plant progress, I just wanted to give a shout out to Gigi Spearman. She is the creator of this beautiful necklace, G-Style Designs. This is my homegirl, somebody I went to high school with. It's beautiful, isn't it? Thank you, Gigi. Okra is thriving. I have 5 plants. You never transplant them until you get secondary leaves. This is way too soon to transplant them, but they're growing in the little peat pot, okay? It's okra. The cucumbers are doing well. I have 5 plants here. And again, they're in the peat pot, and I'll wait. But in the main greenhouse remaining, this is spinach, which is trying to do something. This here is an eggplant. And this is a tomato sweetie. The rest of these didn't germinate. Now I will tell you, it could be because the seeds are old. In regard to the seeds, so I bought those seeds, most of them last year and some of them 2 years ago. And so as you see, many of them didn't germinate. I didn't use a heat lamp or heating pad, which are both things that you can use to stimulate growth of seeds. But nevertheless, whether they grow from seeds or start from small plants, garden is underway. To supplement where the seeds did not do well, I have bought plants. This is a Bonnie green bell pepper, a jalapeno, chocolate mint, cherry tomato, and Ichiban eggplant. I do have an eggplant trying to grow, and I have a tomato sweetie from seeds trying to grow, so that may be in addition to these, but today I'm going to pot these. So in this pot, I'm going to plant the tomato, take it out of the container. I'm just going to make a little hole in the middle and loosen up some of the roots, just a little bit. Sit it in the hole and fill it in. That's the tomato. And it's the same process for every plant. This is my Japanese eggplant. Oh no, I don't want to put that there. I want to put my bell pepper. Bell pepper. Again, make a hole. Put your plant in the hole. Cover it up. Bim, bam, boom. Another planted. This one is chocolate mint. It smells so heavenly when it starts to grow. So I have chocolate mint and peppermint. So my Swiss chard and butter crunch lettuce is doing well. Thyme is coming up. Rosemary. These are flowers, nasturtium, chives. Here's peppermint. Look at the basil poking through. Here's oregano. And here's my onions that I just planted. There's one popping up. There's one popping up. And there's one popping up. These are some more nasturtium. Everything is watered. And so, this is my outdoor cozy green space. As you can see, it's not very large. It's only 60 square feet. I maximize every available space to garden and also have a place to relax. So it just shows you don't have to have a huge space to garden. If you can sit a pot down, you can garden. And it's nice to be able to sit outside in whatever space you have and relax. I have a rocking, bouncing chair. And then I have, welcome to the garden, my recliner. And there you have it. That is my outdoor haven. I stack my books right there and plug my phone in, and I'm good to go. So I hope this was helpful to you to show you the progress of the seeds, talk about the progress, show you the planting of new plants, and also to show you how even in a small space you can create an outdoor haven. So wherever you are, create a haven. If it's a corner in your house, if you don't have an outdoor space, if you have a yard, a patio, a sunroom, if you have a park nearby, find your happy place where you can chill and unwind and let the weight of the world off your shoulders. We live in very stressful times, and we have to find ways to release, recharge, and renew. And for me, gardening is that is the way. Gardening and sitting among nature. So until next time, it's your girl, Dr. Helen. Peace. I just want to add, if there are any questions you have about planting and gardening that I may be able to answer, please put it in the comments. I look forward to the ongoing dialogue with you. And as a reminder, the channel is Grow with Dr. Helen, and the playlist is Cozy Green Spaces. So please like, follow, and subscribe. Peace.